Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best edible glitter is probably one of the most exciting ways to elevate your cookie decoration game. Adding a sparkling touch to your sweet creations is now easier than ever. Whether you're dressing up cookies for a special occasion or adding a fun twist to everyday baking, edible glitter is the perfect way to add some extra magic to your treats. Number 5. Luxe Cake Disco Diamond Cake Glitter. Introducing Luxe Cake's Disco Diamond Dust. This glitter adds a bright sheen and a glittery metallic look to your cakes. It provides a stunning moonstone iridescent sheen and vivid sparkle. Developed for cake artists, this product is ideal for various mediums. You can use it with gum paste, fondant, royal icing, and more. It's perfect for all your decorating needs. Add a gorgeous and vivid sparkling accent to your creations. This glitter will make your confectionery displays shine. It's the perfect finishing touch. Simply sprinkle or dry brush the glitter onto your creations. The product adheres well to both wet and dry mediums. This proprietary process results in the strongest pigments on the market. Proudly made in the USA. This product is part of a growing selection of over 100 dusts and glitters. It's a quality product you can trust. What we like. This glitter provides a bright sheen and vivid sparkle to your creations. The Disco Diamond Dust is perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your cakes, cupcakes, and other treats. If you are looking for a glitter that will make your dessert stand out, you should consider this one, as it is proudly made in the USA. What people say. Everything looks better with sparkles. I use it for cake decorations and cookies. I even use it on chocolate. It has no taste and is good quality. I love that it doesn't go everywhere like others I've used. Makes cake pop. My cakes glisten and they are so pretty. Number 4. Bakell Rose Gold Tinker Dust 5G Edible Glitter. With Bakell's Tinker Dust, you get two products in one. It can be used as both a cake decorating dust and a beverage garnish. Add it to your favorite drink to create a shimmering effect. Tinker Dust comes in over 40 colors, so you'll find the perfect hue for any occasion. It's great for cakes and vegan paint applications. Whether you're a professional baker, home cook, or mixologist, this product seamlessly infuses an enchanting sparkle into your creations. It's perfect for both confections and beverages. Bakell prioritizes your health by using the highest quality ingredients. This product is gluten-free, dairy-free, GMO-free, and vegan. The products are made in the USA at SQF3, GMP, halal, and kosher certified facilities. It's also nut-free, gluten-free, and vegan. It's perfect for gender reveal parties, holidays, birthdays, weddings, and more. Use it on cakes, cocktails, mocktails, cookies, desserts, and even crafts. The flip cap design provides ease and precision. You can easily add the perfect amount of Tinker Dust to your confections and drinks. What we like. This product offers dual use, as both a cake decorating dust and a beverage garnish. With over 40 colors, it ensures you'll find the perfect hue for any occasion. If you are looking for a versatile glitter that can add sparkle to both your desserts and drinks, you should consider this one. What people say. Love the lightness of the dust and perfect gold color. Use small amounts at a time. Perfect for strawberries. Number 3. Nomeca 4 Colors Edible Luster Dust Set. This food-grade luster dust is safe and edible, perfect for your creations. It's fat-free, GMO-free, gluten-free, and nut-free, so you can enjoy it with confidence. It won't affect the taste of your treats. Get a shimmering, metallic finish with this fine texture dust. It comes in 4 beautiful colors: gold, rose gold, silver, and pearl white. It's the perfect way to add a touch of elegance to your cakes and desserts. You can apply this dust directly to your projects or mix it with alcohol or flavorings to create an edible paint. Simply brush it onto your food for a stunning effect. Avoid mixing it with water. This luster dust is ideal for decorating fondant, cookies, buttercream, and more. You can also add it to drinks for a shimmery effect. It's perfect for any celebration, from Valentine's Day to Halloween. A little bit of this dust is all you need to achieve a vibrant color. The upgraded formula makes it easy to use for both professionals and beginners. Get ready to create stunning desserts with ease. What we like. This luster dust creates a shimmer effect and is easy to apply, whether dry or mixed into a paint. It is widely used for baking and decorating, perfect for various desserts and drinks. If you like to have fun decorating your desserts on Valentine's Day, anniversaries, birthday, Easter Day, Christmas, Halloween, and Thanksgiving Day, you should consider this one. What people say. The colors are vibrant, and the product is GMO-free, gluten-free, and dairy-free, which means it's accessible for people with different dietary needs. Whether you're looking to add some flair to your fondant or give your macaroons a luxurious makeover, this product is your go-to. Decorated dusted a dozen chocolate strawberries. It looked great, stayed put, and tasted like nothing. Number 2. Edible glitter set for drinks and baking. Introducing a set of edible glitter with 8 vibrant colors. This allows you to meet more of your needs at once, offering a spectrum of options for your creations. This glitter dust is tasteless, ensuring it won't affect the flavor of your food or drinks. It's the perfect way to add a touch of charm to your culinary masterpieces. Made from food-grade ingredients, this edible glitter is vegan, gluten-free, and dairy-free. It's a safe and healthy way to decorate your food and beverages. Use it for various beverages, wines, cocktails, cakes, cupcakes, cookies, and more. The possibilities are endless with this versatile glitter. The product comes in compact bags, making it easy to store. You can put it on the corner when finished using. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We will reply to you within 24 hours. What we like. This edible glitter comes in 8 vivid colors, allowing for a wide range of creative possibilities. It is tasteless, so it won't affect the flavor of your creations. If you are looking for a glitter that can be used for both drinks and baking, you should consider this one. What people say. Used it for my wedding desserts to add a gold touch. It did the job and they came out beautiful. Fun and the colors are great. Make this fairy cake and pixie punch with it. The teens loved it. Number 1. Edible glitter for cocktails, 10 colors Easter luster dust. Get ready to add some sparkle to your Easter celebrations. This set includes 10 vibrant colors, perfect for cocktails and more. It's a fun and easy way to make your drinks and treats stand out. With 10 dazzling colors, you'll have endless possibilities for creating stunning visual effects. From classic gold and silver to bold blue and red, it has everything you need to make your creations shine. Made with food-grade materials, this glitter is safe and reliable. It won't alter the taste of your food or drinks. It is designed to add a touch of magic to your culinary creations. This glitter isn't just for cocktails. Use it on cakes, fondant, strawberries, cupcakes, candies, and chocolates. It's a versatile decoration for all your treats. It's incredibly easy to use. Simply brush it onto your treats or sprinkle it into your drinks. It's the perfect decoration for Halloween, Easter, Christmas, birthdays, and parties, and makes a great gift. What we like. This product provides 10 vibrant colors to add shine to your food and drinks. It is made with food-grade materials, ensuring safety and reliability. If you like to have a perfect decoration for Halloween, Easter, Christmas, birthdays, and all kinds of parties, you should consider this one. What people say. A little goes a long way as it is very pigmented. Mixes easily. The powder is tasteless and the colors are each lovely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.